Hi and welcome to another Wera tooltip video. In this video I'm going to show you my latest purchases and some quite interesting Wera sets that you might not know about, but you might want to check out for yourself. So first of all, I'm going to take this one out of the package. It's a knee protection pad that I know a lot of you in the trades could really make use of, because for some reason we always end up down on our knees doing things. And it comes in two versions, one with a cutout for their bottle opener, and this one which has the Tool Check Plus bit kit included. So I went for this as I thought it was the most serious of the two. So let me get this out of the box and we can have a close look. And your usual stickers and everything in there. And here it is, a nice sturdy foam pad with a carry handle, and this is the Tool Check Plus. I've been wanting to get this as just a Wera kit for a very long time, but always hesitated because it's quite expensive for what it is. But now that it was in this sort of limited edition knee protection pad combo, I had to get it. This is a very portable complete bit kit, and it comes with an extension, a ratchet driver and a small handle. Then it has the usual metric sockets, and it pulls out, and there is all the various bits you would need on a normal basis. So this, I have no idea if I'll be using it for places where it will get dirty, but I will definitely use it around the house, and maybe take it to some jobs, or get a second one and just keep this in pristine condition. But let's check out the next one. So this is like the VDE set I've shown in a video a long time ago, but for some reason they managed to make this even better, because I have no idea how this happened, but they are made in Germany, and so are our favorite pliers brand, the Knipex. And here is the installation pliers that I also have shown in a previous video. This combined 6-in-1 with a smooth needle nose, a grippy needle nose, a gripping pliers, then you have a crimping, and then you have wire strippers for 1.5 and 2.5, which is in the American world the 12 and the 14 gauge. And down here you have a wire cutter, and this protection things keeps it only from opening all the way up, so it won't cut any of your wires if you have it in your bag. And when you need to use the actual wire cutters here, you just unlock it and then it opens fully, and that's the most useful tool if you're doing any means of electrical installations like alarm circuits, access controls, things like that. And then it comes with the two handles, and then all the usual insulated 1000-volt tips for your flat blades, your Phillips, your passes, and your Torx drivers. There is, by the way, spoiler alert, and I'm gonna get that soon, they have made a new version of this set with color-coded bits, where they also included hex drivers. So I'm gonna get that at some point. It's just way too expensive, so I'm hesitating, but I'm quite sure it'll be shown in a future video. So this is a great kit to carry if you do electrical work as a locksmith or just as an electrician. Then this one is the KK900 set 1. This is an impact driver. So this looks a lot like your usual chisel drivers with the black and yellow handle, but unlike the normal chisel one, every time you hammer on this, it will turn like an eighth of a rotation. So if you have a really stock screw, you just take whatever bit you need and see if we can get it inserted. Is there a trick to this? There we go. Just needed a good push. And then, as I said, you put it in your screw and you hammer on it with a big hammer, and also you can put a wrench on here and use that to turn. So this might be good for some stock screws. For some reason, old hardware can sometimes be impossible to get your screws out. So hopefully I can use this for some lock hardware that is completely seized up, and so not sure yet when I need it, but I would rather have it and not need it than need it and not have it. So 3 great new additions to my Wera collection, and till the next one. Bye for now.